We're very honored. We had Mr. Rambabusi, the CEO of Air India Airport Services Limited. So, sir, how was your experience coming here?
The first time I'm coming here, I've been longing to come here for the last 1 year with a lot of enthusiasm. Before coming here, I had a lot more time. I think what I heard, what I'm saying, perfect match. And I wanted to tell you, and being a mechanical engineer, I could relate what you are explaining. See what you are doing. You are establishing quality, and the way you are explaining yourself, it shows that the bosses are aware of everything. If the rest of the people automatically follow, it complements to you and your team.
Coming around, ground handling in India is changing. Air India is got spun off as an airline, and you as an entity are still government owned. But even after that, you are getting a lot of changes, a lot of, I would say, improvements in the way people are working and services offered. So, what is the secret to that success?
That's simple. The secret of Nandan, quality. I think we learn from you. We take a leaf from your vision, but produce quality.
Right.
In the factory. Same thing we are percolating down to the services. Air India got this invested. It's gone to the data hands. Now, if I'm going to handle that kind of a client, who's my biggest client,
Correct.
I have to change.
Correct. I think, yeah, you didn't change, you transformed. That is a little difference. And with you at the helm, I think AIASL is in the right direction. Thank you so much, sir, for the support. And we are very honored and proud at his hands. We are releasing the Ambulift, and it's good to go.